Hot on the heels of the successful passage of the Transitional Justice Bill, the DPP caucus is in a hurry to push through amendments to the referendum law, which would lower the widely criticized high threshold for participation, which is 50% of all eligible voters. Following negotiations between political parties, some of the less controversial articles in the amendments today passed a second reading, including a provision to lower the referendum voting age to 18. Lawmakers are expected to continue debating the rest of the amendments on Tuesday.
Following negotiations between political parties over draft amendments to the referendum law, the ruling DPP and opposition KMT agreed to pass all the uncontroversial articles in their second reading. The new Power Party proposed a motion to extend the legislative session until midnight and complete the third reading. But this idea was turned down when it was put to a vote. The suggestion made by the legislative speaker was to first read the 50 uncontested articles. From Tuesday, we will concentrate on making speeches and voting on the rest. The articles that made it to a second reading today included lowering the voting age, abolishing the Referendum Review Committee, and moving responsibility for referenda to the Central Election Commission. The battle over the remaining contested articles, including lowering the threshold for participation and removing restrictions on the kinds of issues that can be put to a referendum, will start next Tuesday. The People Rule Foundation this afternoon amassed nearly 100 volunteers outside the presidential office. They were urging the Tsai administration not to delay the amendments any longer. In the past 14 years, 6 national-level referendums have all failed. As early as December 15th last year, amendments to the referendum law passed a first reading. Then there were repeated delays. The People Rule Foundation has also threatened launching a hunger strike for an indefinite period at the end of the year if the amendment's third reading is delayed.